Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft, and today's video it's incoming happy mail. I received her package. She goes by Rach Lim 26. Her name is Rachel. I will leave her Instagram information in the description box below. So I got her package. Very cute. I am going to open this up. Oh my goodness. Oh. Wow. Oh, tons of goodies. Ooh. Alright. Oh, got these. These are goodies. And I believe she said that she was going to make for me a flip book. So I believe this might be the flip book. I came nicely packaged. I love the ribbon. And I am not going to cut this ribbon. I'm going to save it, of course. And look at that. I love these. There's a camera die cut. Oh, that's cute. That's her note. And, oh, I love these. It's like tissue paper, very colorful. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. How gorgeous. Oh, look at these. How cute. Look at the trim. All the details. Oh, I love it. Oh. Happy with my whole heart life. I love the trim and all the layering. And we open this up. Oh, she use a lot of dyes. I have never seen this dye. So gorgeous. The houses and the air balloons dyes. Oh, look at this, how cute. Washi tape and the tagging. And I love her layering. Look at this. She used lace, trim, a rosette and flowers. Love it, love it. Oh, look at this one. Cute. Love this tool and the layering. And let's see what is in here. Oh, stickies. I love the dye. Cute. Oh, that's very cute. Oh, look at this one. These are like mini shakers. How cute. And I'm gonna just take them out. Oh, I love it. Cute, 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 cute. Oh, these are so gorgeous. Very talented lady. Oh, look at that. I love the paper. And make your time fun. And another more like sequins kind of thing. I love it. These mini sequences and the wood chip board and the flower. Oh, and this one. Oh, how gorgeous. This is a paper clip. Love the layering of the paper clip. Very cute. And the topper. Oh, gorgeous. Love all her layering and the papers. Oh, look at these. You had made me glad. Oh, and she gave me a chain with initial K. How cute. Very cute. Oh, this is so gorgeous. I'm going to just do not want to damage it. Well, I'm going to keep this out. This is so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So gorgeous. Look at all the layering. Oh, this is eye candy everyday, handmade by Rachel. Rach Lim 26. And this is a tassel. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And let's take a look at the goodies. She gave me these goodies. Let me see what's in here. Enjoy. Let's see what's in here. Oh, Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, look at these. She has the big coffee cups. Gorgeous. Oh, and the mini wooden clothespin. How gorgeous. Oh, and look at the swans. Oh, they're so cute. And the mini bows. Oh my goodness. I'm like, I have to open these, but I don't want to, you know, damage anything. So I am going to get my staple remover. If I can find one, of course. Ah, found it. Oh, this is so gorgeous. I probably should open everything. Oh, look at these gorgeous little baggie and the trims. And look at these mini bows. Oh, how cute. Oh, they're lovely. Lovely, lovely. I shouldn't have taken pictures, but of course. And then the swans. I'm going to open the swans too. A lot of handmade stuff. So gorgeous. Oh, look at the swans. They're just so gorgeous. I love them. Love them, love them. And of course the coffee cups. And that. I know, I just don't want to. And I love her sticky with the Hello Kitty. Oh my goodness. I'm like, I don't want to break it, but it's just so gorgeous. Gorgeous with capital G. Okay. And she gave me these Je complete sur toi. Oh, and she gave me baggies. Oh. Oh, look at these. The panda. What is this? Pandas. I know that she does a lot of planning stuff. Oh, these are stickies. Oh, stickies, stickies, stickies. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Just for my Christmas things. And gorgeous cherry blossoms. Oh, these are gorgeous. Beautiful. And I love these stickies, like the love and peace. Nice, kind of 70s vibe. And this is, oh, she gave me some candy. Oh no, special green tea. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, and I love her packaging. Look how gorgeous. It's like, I don't want to break it. It looks so beautiful. Let me see if I can open this up without breaking it. And of course, oh, okay. Oh, I love this baggie. It's like a unicorn baggie. Oh, how gorgeous. Oh, I knew it. I knew it. It's fruits gummy candy and a green tea. Oh, I love it. So this is, oh my goodness, I know everything looks so messy right now, but this is all the things that my Happy Mail from Rachlim26. Rachel, thank you. I just love everything, all the handmade goodies and the goodies and candy, tea, the bows. Oh, and your flip book is just so beautiful. You are so talented. Okay. So this is all the Happy Mail that I received from Rachel, Rachlim26. I will leave her Instagram information in the description box below. And I also received something that I won. I entered a giveaway that was hosted by cs.stationery in Instagram. So let's go ahead and see what I won. So I won a loaded baggie. Oh, cute. And a couple of die cuts. and pineapple, die cuts. What else I got here? These are like medallion. Let's open everything. Medallion. These are very cute. And love this baggy topper. And these are pineapples. I love this, the bat and the pumpkin. I'm gonna open this up. Oh, okay, oh, this is very cute. Oh, nice, nice, nice. And look at the body. Cute. Oh, more. Oh my god, lots of it. So this is her bag. Very cute. Kind of Maggie Holmes style. And a couple of extra baggies that I don't have. This is very convenient to have. And some embellies. Oh, look at these, how cute. These are like medallions. Very nice. Okay, so these are the things that I won in a giveaway that I entered with cs.stationery. I will leave her Instagram information in the description box below. Go ahead and show her some love. Again, this is everything that I received, my winnings, and my happy mail. And of course, everything looks messy here. I need to organize things better. And I'm gonna eat this candy, Rachel. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family. And if you haven't done so, click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.